Believe in yourself, never stop dreaming. The impossible can one day become reality. Every step you take will build your tomorrow. The strength you're searching for is already in your heart. Believe in yourself. Don't ever stop fighting. After every storm, the sun will shine again. Those who never give up turn dreams into reality. Victory comes to those who face it all with courage.